Tesla Model X Plaid. We're diving into the future of electric performance with the Tesla Model X Plaid, the electric SUV that offers unrivaled acceleration, cutting-edge technology, and the perfect blend of luxury and sustainability. Let's explore what makes this electric powerhouse truly exceptional. Performance. The Tesla Model X Plaid is an absolute beast on the road, boasting 3 electric motors that deliver an astonishing 1,020 horsepower. With this kind of power, the Model X Plaid accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds, faster than most supercars on the market. This jaw-dropping performance is complemented by its impressive top speed of 163 miles per hour. The advanced all-wheel drive system and torque vectoring technology provide exceptional handling, whether you're navigating tight turns or cruising at high speeds. With a range of up to 348 miles on a single charge, the Model X Plaid balances performance with practicality, ensuring you can go further without compromising on thrills. Comfort inside, the Model X Plaid offers a futuristic, spacious cabin that is both luxurious and functional. The seats are made from premium materials and offer plenty of adjustments, with both heating and ventilation options for all passengers. The cabin is airy, thanks to the panoramic glass roof that creates a sense of openness. The Model X also features a customizable climate control system that ensures everyone on board stays comfortable, no matter the weather outside. With a 5 or 7 passenger seating configuration, the Model X Plaid accommodates families, business trips, or weekend adventures in style and comfort. Design. The design of the Model X Plaid is sleek, aerodynamic, and unmistakably Tesla. The front features the signature Tesla grille, while the smooth flowing lines of the body are designed to minimize drag and optimize performance. The Falcon Wing doors, one of the most striking features of the Model X, open upward in a dramatic fashion, giving you easy access to the spacious interior, even in tight spaces. The minimalistic modern exterior is both futuristic and practical, with a wide stance that ensures excellent stability at high speeds. Interior step inside, and you'll find a cabin that's a true technological marvel. The minimalist dashboard features a 17-inch touchscreen that controls virtually all aspects of the vehicle, from navigation to entertainment. The user interface is sleek, intuitive, and seamlessly integrates with Tesla's software to deliver real-time updates and a personalized experience. The interior also boasts premium materials, with vegan leather upholstery, wood accents, and the option to upgrade to premium seating. The rear seats offer plenty of legroom, and the expansive cargo space is perfect for long trips or storing gear. Exterior. The Tesla Model X Plaid's exterior is designed for performance, with a sleek aerodynamic profile that reduces drag and maximizes efficiency. The wide, low stance and sculpted lines not only give the Model X an aggressive look, but also contribute to its stability at high speeds. The Falcon Wing doors, of course, are the showstopper, making the Model X unlike any other SUV on the market. The 20-inch wheels and optional 22-inch wheels give it an even more athletic appearance, while the sleek, smooth front end ensures it cuts through the air with minimal resistance. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the world's most innovative luxury cars.